Good morning guys, my name is Yuvraj Joshi and you are watching Web Development Lab live session, that is PCS 693. Today we will talk about pseudo class selectors and the types inside it. So for that we are going to create a form in the notepad, and we are opening a notepad file. Then we will write less than exclamation mark doc type HTML, then HTML lang equals to double inverted commas en double inverted commas closed. Then inside it we will create head section and head section closed. Then body section and body section closed. Inside head section we will give meta char set, that is the metadata for the title that would be coming afterwards. Meta char set equals to double inverted commas UTF-8 double inverted commas close, and then I will close the HTML tag. Now inside the body section we will start the process of creating form. So we will give the less than sign, then form its name equals to frm login within the double inverted commas, action equals to processor.html. This page I haven't created, this is just for the example, so pay attention. Method equals to, I will give here post, as we have learned why we will be giving post. Then inside the span tag I will write email id and span tag closed. For the email id I have to create an input field for the email, so input type equals to email double inverted comma close, name equals to txt email id double inverted commas close, value equals to, and I will keep nothing in the value. So after this we will write break two times. Then click to file, save as. This is simple. You have to write default.html within the double inverted commas and then close. Now there is your file with the name default.html. Just open it and there you can see that your email ID and its field has been created. Inside it we can write any email ID. So after this, within the notepad file, what I am going to do, I have to create a password field. It is just a simple form to show you how the pseudo class selector works for the user interface. Then within the span tag I will write password with the colon and span tag close, then input. Okay, I should copy break tag here, and then after the span tag I should give input type equals to password and double inverted commas close. Within the name I will give txtpwd for the password. This is the name value of password, then value equals to none, and then the input field closed. Save, then refresh in the browser, you will get your password field and you can write and you can watch what it is doing. And then afterwards I have to give two radio buttons. I am not giving any title for the radio button. Why I am giving the radio button? Because we are creating a minimal user interface. That is why I have given input type equals to radio for the radio box. Within that I am giving a name, that is RDB gender, value equals to M. Now you will be understanding that it is for male, so we are going to write male inside the span tag. Similarly, we are going to create another radio box for the female gender. So we are going to copy this input field and just we have to change some values. That is, we would be converting M to F, and then we will be copying female, and then file, save, go to browser, refresh. There you have your radio buttons, and then putting break tag again. After this field we have to give a submit value, or we have to create a submit button. So we are creating a submit field. Input type equals to double inverted comma submit, value equals to double inverted comma submit, and then after that also we have to give a reset button. So we are giving input type equals to reset, value equals to reset. Then we have to close the form tag also. After this we have to go to file, save, go to browser, refresh. There you have your minimal user interface, and you can click on submit and you can see that it is redirecting to another page, and it is not supporting because processor.html is not a page we have created. Then I have to give title, and what is that? I will say it pseudo class selectors. Within the square bracket I will write user interface and then the title closed. Then